In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site in ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your course area to connecting it to a product so your customers get access automatically. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of how to turn your content into a simple membership experience inside ClickFunnels. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. On your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Apps. Right next to it, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a list of apps you can add to your ClickFunnels workspace. Scroll through until you find the app called Courses, then click it. You'll see some information about what the Courses app does. Add it to your account, and once that's done, click on Courses. Inside the Courses area, click the button to create a new course. A new page will load and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose a course type. You'll see options like Simple, Drip, or Custom. For this walkthrough, select Simple, then click Next Step. Now you can upload a course image, enter a course title, and write a clear course description so your members know what they're getting. When you're happy with those details, click Next Step again. The pop-up will load and ask whether your course is free or paid. Choose the option that fits your offer, then the page will reload and open up the course editor. Inside the course editor, you'll see your first module and lesson already created as a starting point. To add more structure, click Add Content. A drop-down will let you choose whether you want to add another module or a new lesson. Once you've added what you need, click on any lesson to edit it. A pop-up will appear where you can edit the parent module, change the lesson title, and update the lesson description. You can also upload a lesson thumbnail and add your video or audio files here to deliver the content. On the right side of that pop-up, you'll see a live preview of your course page. You can customize this by clicking the bar with a plus icon to add new sections or elements. A drawer will slide open with layout and content options you can drag in, like headings, text, or additional media. Take a moment to arrange things so the page is clean and easy to follow for your members. Whenever you make changes, remember to click Save Changes so nothing is lost. Once your course is set up, you need to connect it to a product so that access is granted automatically when someone buys. Head back to the left sidebar and click on Products. Additional options will appear under it, so choose All Products. This will show you the full list of products in your account. If you want to create a new one, click Create Product in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Make sure you select Digital as the product type, then fill in the basic details like the product name, description, and price. For this example, let's say you already have a digital product created. Click to open that product's editor. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Purchase Actions. In this area, look for Course Access. Click the plus icon next to it, and a drawer will slide open on the right side. From the drop-down, select the course you just created. This tells ClickFunnels to give buyers access to that specific course when they purchase this product. Once you've chosen the course, click Save. At this point, your membership setup is complete. You have a course built inside ClickFunnels, organized with modules and lessons, designed with a custom layout, and connected to a digital product through Purchase Actions. Now, whenever someone buys that product, they'll automatically receive access to your course area as a member.